Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to this month's scripture reveal. Can you believe it is June? Next time it'll be Christmas in July before you know it. This is a beautiful set you guys have been asking for, and I think you're really going to love it. Let me just show you. It is called Take Flight. Here's your hummingbird. Look how pretty our little hummingbird is. You have one going in this direction and one going in this direction. And then look at these beautiful flowers. Now, Sylvia told me what this flower was. Y'all know I don't do that. I want to say she said this is either a moonflower or a cone flower. I'm not sure. One of you guys can tell me in the comments. But she made these beautiful flowers. And look, you have a little tiny hummingbird too, which is so cute to use with the sentiments really close. And there's another small flower. Your sentiments are, let your faith take flight. And how about this one? Consider the wondrous works of God, and he that is faithful in that which is least is also faithful in much. Isn't that beautiful? Wait till you see these samples. Listen, Shannon outdid herself. I did not even make one. I sort of helped on one, but I didn't make a whole one. I'll show you what we did. So this is the first one Shannon did. Now, all you folks that don't like to fussy cut, you're going to look at this and go, she did that. Yep, she fussy cut every single stem. I think the only thing that you didn't do was the swirlies. Yeah, we could have stamped the swirlies after, but look what she did. Is that not gorgeous? I don't even want to send this. This is like a work of art. We want to keep it, but look how beautiful. So there's one sample. Then she did this one. Look how gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love how versatile the flower is, because you'll see we have it coming in from one side. We have it up from the bottom, and imagine you could do it all the way around as well. But let me show you the last sample. Now this one we collaborated on. This one, we have it coming from this side and this side. So we mix the flower. I think we're going to get a lot of use out of those flowers. And every color. Like you can see, we've got pink ones and purple ones. How beautiful, right? I think this is something else. And that hummingbird. And let me show you this. Look how beautiful the coloring of the hummingbird is. Now, is that color pencil, Shannon?
That one is alcohol markers.
So she did this one with alcohol markers. And she just mixed the colors. Isn't that beautiful? And then this one is color pencil. I can tell because I can see the little strokes. Isn't that gorgeous how she colored them? And then this one is also color pencil. Isn't that neat? I think she did a fantastic job on those, and we wanted to share those with you. So there you go. That's this month's set, Take Flight. I just think it is so beautiful. Now, if you're not a member of our stamp club, why not? Go ahead and join. All the information to join the stamp club is in the description below. And as always, we give away a $50 gift card. If you do a project with this stamp set and post it to our customer gallery, that's your entry. And if you did that last month with last month's set, you could be last month's winner. You'll find out by looking in the description. The top line will have the winner's name there. Hey, thanks so much for being a part of our club. I cannot wait to see what you do with hummingbirds. And until next time.